uyayitshisa mama.
Hey mama,
Ele mama.
hey mama.
Madoda, ngiyo lento lana. Ma-Rockets ajabule kakhulu. 3 ashaya amaZulu 1. amaZulu ngiyaweva yasukuma bathi sizohlangana Zulu. Kwalile namuhla. Mphathi, igame uyibone njani namuhla? What are your thoughts?
Dog, igame ngiyibonile dog. It was a very very beautiful game. Ending so all the way from Swaziland ngitela
Ngwane madoda.
Yeah, ayibimnanzi kakhulu ene lamagoli ngijabule kakhulu dog.
Mphathi siyakwamukela in the place of the province of the rising sun. Siphize sikwamukele nasi South Africa nduna yami. Mphathi, igame namuhla labafana ubabone badlale njani? Timisela lebenze banako ubabone badlale njani bafana?
Yeah, ekuqaleni iqale kahle kakhulu and then saqala sakora and then sathi noma sibuya second half wabona ukuthi hayi coach bekakhona saphinze sakora kuthi kusenjalo bakora ngale amaZulu and then sathi sithi sebukile lapho. It was a tough game ke lapho siyabona ukuthi okay both teams are winning to score yabo. Exactly, and then saphinze saqhubeka ngajabula kakhulu dog.
Nashaya amaZulu madoda.
Yeah.
Nashaya amaZulu
3-1 dog. 3-1.
Anfuniseli.
And nje ukubukela igame lenamagoli kangaka yabo. Since ne Kaizer Chiefs ngale idrawile bo 1-1 and then Sundowns yadliwa yabo. And then siyabona ukuthi I know vele ne Orlando Pirates ngathi seyithinta.
Hayi man.
Seyithinta dog.
Uchaza ukuthi ama-Rockets atawuphinza gadle makahlangana nezigamagebhula esikotini.
Obvious dog. Even though ngi-Orlando Pirates but nje hayi I think sitobukela igame lemnanzi kakhulu because both teams uyabona ukuthi I know ayaqina and uyabuka ukuthi adlala igame lephilako.
Uma sibuka i-performance yaPhuso Dithejane mawinga Phuso Dithejane naMahlambu. uMahlambu when we look at him igame yakhe eqala when he played here like higher he was still finding his feet bekasola ngathi tholile umfleyo ke mara masombuka nyalo utenda ukuthi venjani ngeperformance yakhe Mahlambi la idlala nyalo knowing very well that he contributed from 2 goals about 2 goals that were seen amongst the 3 goals that were scored today. Utiva njani ngeperformance yaMahlambi bana Phuso Dithejane?
I think coach uyakhombisa ukuthi no hayi uyasebenza uyaweva amaZulu sekaqala yaduma and akwatile yes akwatile because Mahlambi ayivele no 17 ama assist lamahle kanje and those goals were very 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 good yeah
bafo sesiqoqoda ke manje kuyi-heritage month Ngwane usuka leveni lekubogogo omkhulu le ngiphi imessage lonayo tuka bafowethu kuyi-heritage day namuhla kulela lase-South Africa uthi abathi cabhe ngebuve babo ngiphi imessage lonabo kubo bonke?
Yes ngicanga ukuthi South Africa i-country lenhle kakhulu unlike thine ukhanza ukuthi simaswati kuphela kanti lana it's a diverse so kunabantu abaningi yabo so kunabo Sotho kunawo like whatever and noma la uyativa ukuthi no usekhaya it's one and the same so siyabonga kakhulu nekuswelcome thank you very much sir.
Sibonge kakhulu lo mfowethu lo usuka le ndasi kaNgwane sibonge kakhulu Ngwane lo muntu.
Ubeke nento lokuhle siyabonga.
Sibonge.